at that sky out there. It's crazy. There might be a fire or something out there. But I'm not saying there is a fire. But I'm just saying it's crazy. Have a look. That is quietly crazy. That's so crazy. I'm going out the front to have a look at this. There's our new concrete power poles, by the way. Concrete power poles. Look at the weather. It's got more windy than before. Look at this weather. It's crazy. Look at it over here. It's like sunshine a little bit. Not much. Here it is. Sunshine, lollipops and rainbows. I don't want to know. It's very busy. Not busy. Windy, I mean. Why did I say busy for? Stupid me. There it is. Car's going past. Going, what the hell is he doing? There's Chevy. Scared of the wind. Chevy, scared of the wind, scared of the wind, scared of the wind. Hi, Chevs. Chevy, hello. Always, Chevy. Always. Look how dry it is in Mariah. Look how dry it is. Look how dry. It's so dry, everyone. Amazing how dry it is. And look at the sky again. It's so incredible. The sky is so dark. I hope there's no fires. I've got no idea. No idea. Look how dry it is again. I'll show you the rest of the grass, how dry it is. Even the plants are dry. Got to give them a drink later. Look how dry all this stuff is. So dry. Chevy, you're always thirsty. Because it's summer now. So dry, look. Grass needs a drink. But we don't have water, we're on tank water, so we can't water our grass. We got dam. Very, very windy. Can anyone hear me? They're working down there, man. I don't know what they're doing. Well, you can't see them anyway. But absolutely, the sky is putrid. Anyway, I'll catch you later. And I think they're working on the power lines. That's what they're doing. That's why the power lines are off. I think. I'm on the road now. Well, I'll see you later. This is Brewy. And have a good one in the wind, everyone. Everyone's blowing wind. Bye. Bye.